Hello everybody. We are living in an amazing time when we do not need to write precise comprehensive automation anymore because AI agents can perform specific steps while we have to architect the workflow. I remember the time when DevSecOps was born with the shift left concept and security pipelines were injected into the CI/CD process. But today we can shift inside the IDE, give developers required tools and workflows to perform checks before they run their CI/CD pipeline, and it's amazing. Today I want to show my automation for repo security check using Google Antigravity workflow and several open source security tools. This is my pet project repo. It utilizes Python, Google Cloud Infrastructure for CI/CD and runtime. Here is the workflow described in the article. You can find the link to the article in the video description. I will just highlight some important things to know. 4 tools we are using here: GitLeaks, SemGrep, Checkov, and OSV scanner. Agent processes the tool's output, but before the agent will process files, we should to minify it because they raw files contains a lot of different noise which will just consume AI tokens but will not bring any meaningful information. So here are commands for every tool raw output. You can see here in another repo how file sizes are different before and after minification. So there are huge amount of tokens are saving thanks to these steps. So I've opened a new chat and will run the scan in fast mode with Gemini 3 Flash model. I'm using guided mode to check commands which the agent want to run. No leaks found. That's good. Okay, so check of scan performed. OSV scan is performing. Some error was here, but the agent adjusted the JQ command syntax. The agent is performing deep check just to verify that there are no false positive. Okay, so it's writing the report, finishing. Okay, let's review the report. Accept change and review. Generally strong, that I'm happy. Detailed findings. Protobuf denial of service via transitive dependency. Good point. Definitely will fix. Good point again. Good point. File open authorization on inspection errors. So this thing is for review and everything. So we have received such a beautiful report, which is not only about some kind of scanners findings, but we see here point about the logic, which is very interesting and useful. And we can see that it was delivered from manual architectural review. So we can now use this report and run the new check with more powerful model to extend the report to review false positive and so on. And this is impressive approach, which is also highly configurable for any repo, because we can add new tools. We can exclude some kind of tools which are not appropriate for the precise repo, precise workplace. And thanks for watching. You can write your suggestions about improving the workflow, improving the pipeline in comments. Thank you for watching again.